बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम एविडेंस साइंस का थर्ड लेक्चर करने जा रहे हैं। आज का पहला सवाल है, द मिरर यूज इन द ऑटोमोबाइल्स आर कॉन्वेक्स। नेक्स्ट है, बार इज द यूनिट ऑफ एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर। नेक्स्ट है, वाई नॉर्मल रेन इज स्लाइटली एसिडिक। आंसर है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर in cloud react to from carbonic acid. Next, the scientific study of insect is known as entomology. Next, the temperature of surface of sun is 5778 Kelvin. Next, the sun is at an average distance of about dash million kilometer away from Earth, 150 million kilometer away. Next, for which one of the following is the density maximum? Water. Next, inhale air passes through which of the following in the last? Next, winter solstice mean longest night. Next, who is the founder of solar system? Copernicus. The study of the weather is called meteorology. Next, vitamin B is found in seeds. Next, during a total solar eclipse, there is most nearly to be. Answer a decrease in the rate of photosynthesis. Next, the second most abundant metal found in the Earth's crust is silicon. Next, in the electricity meter, the digit to the extreme right is 1/10th of the unit. Next, saliva contain amylases. Next, nail polish remover contains acetone. Next, Earth rotates the sun in 23 hours 56 minutes 4 seconds. Next, oil of vitriol is sulfuric acid. Next, the study of rearing fine and intelligent human being through genetics is called eugenics. Next, what is the range in hertz of the normal human hearing? 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Next, the average kinetic energy of the molecules of a body determines temperature. Next, the post-mortem examination of the body is called autopsy. The study of soil is called pedology. Next, the toxicity of which of the following heavy metal lead to liver cirrhosis? Copper. Next, P waves are also said to be dash waves. आज का आखिरी सवाल है, when Pluto was cast out from the list of planet August 24, 2006. आज के लिए इतना, बाकी नेक्स्ट इंशाल्लाह ताला। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।